everybody, I'm Tantua Ebidein Diana, hashtag I am live, and today is Vlogmas day 9. We are going to be talking about must-haves for natural hair girls. This was inspired by my friend. She was trying to get water into her hair and like the water wasn't getting her hair soft. So I was like, try warm water, and she was like, oh, she doesn't have a spray bottle. I'm like, how can you not have a spray bottle? How? And she has been natural for about 3 years, I think up to 4 years, right? So here we go. The first one is obviously a spray bottle. Now what you need a spray bottle for is you can use a spray bottle to easily re-moisturize your hair. Now in this my friend's case, she needed warm water. You cannot be using your hand to get warm water to your hair and it will not be evenly distributed. So with a spray bottle you can just spray all around your hair and it is evenly distributed. You can just spray all around your hair and in 1 minute's time you're going out already. You're already ready with your whole hair. Does it make sense? Just like spraying perfume. You sprayed, you are going. Then the next thing that you can use a spray bottle for is that you can mix water, leave-in conditioner and oil inside it, and it is very easy for you to shake. That is to mix it up again and then get it on your hair. Very important. Now the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is a wide tooth comb. Some natural hair girls don't have wide tooth comb. Why? Okay, so when you're trying to comb your hair or detangle your hair, this is what you use when you want to comb your hair. This is what you use. You do not use any other comb apart from a wide tooth comb. Very important. If not, you're going to break your hair. You're going to cause a lot of stress to your hair. It's going to even break. As far as it does not break that day, it's weakened to break another day. So don't use other combs apart from wide tooth comb, except you're using a rat tail comb. Those combs that have really tiny mouths, just to create patterns. That's all. The next thing that a natural hair girl should have is like a natural hair extension. And I did not think that this was important before in my natural hair journey, but recently I realized that it is very important. If you want to grow your hair over time, first of all you need to be making protective styles. Okay, I've accepted it, but it's just that my scalp, I think my scalp is a little bit sensitive. So right now I don't know if I can go like the whole 2 months, 3 months, I don't know. But then when you need to grow your hair, you can do your hair as cornrows and wear a wig. So you need like something like a natural hair wig, and this is because you're going to maybe miss the whole afro look, natural hair look. So you can get an afro wig, or you get afro extensions like this one. Now I believe that I can use this one to do crochet. So what you do is that you do cornrow to the back and then you crochet your hair, natural hair extensions, and then your hair looks very nice. So if you want the whole natural hair look and the rest, you can go for natural hair extensions. Maybe this is not so important to some people, but when you get there you understand what I am saying. It saves a lot of stress, a lot of time. It helps you get the whole natural afro vibe very beautifully. Then the next must have is scissors. It fell down, let me pick it up. Scissors. Now scissors is very handy. In almost every house you might have scissors, but some people don't have scissors. That's the truth. Some people don't have scissors, and what you use scissors for is for trimming your hair, which I advise should be maybe once a year if you're treating your hair very nicely or okay. And also what scissors is most important for in my own life is trimming my knots. Anytime I'm losing my hair and I'm washing my hair and I notice that there's one part of my hair that has been tied, you cannot redeem one strand being tied. So what I do is that I use these scissors and cut it. That way I don't need to trim my hair even in a year, because I'm keeping my hair healthy, maintaining the health of my hair. Like, does it make sense? Or when you see a split end, your hair tears into like two at the end, which I only saw this year for the first time in my natural hair life. That's like 4 years. I only saw this year a split end, and you need a scissors handy in your house to cut it before it will split and be traveling up your hair. Okay. The next thing I'm going to say a natural hair girl must have is deep conditioner. This is my deep conditioner anyway. You can use any deep conditioner that goes well for you. There are some deep conditioners that have more protein than moisture. This deep conditioner has more moisture than protein, which is what my hair needs. Okay, and then there are some times that I might notice that my hair has moisture overload, and I need a deep conditioner that has more protein than water, than moisture. Do you get? So a deep conditioner is very, 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 very important for a natural hair girl. Anytime you wash your hair and you want to make another style or something, you need to deep condition your hair before you move on. And so I'm not going to be calling shampoo and conditioner here in this video. Every girl, everybody needs a shampoo and conditioner, whether you're relaxed or whether you're natural. Okay. So the next must-have for a natural hair girl is oils. You need oils. First of all, oils are antioxidants, so they prevent any harsh weather or harsh environmental condition, pollution to damage your hair. You might not know, but then it happens small and you're having stagnant growth, your hair is not growing. So oils are very important for doing that, for protecting your hair from damage. The next thing oils are good for is keeping your hair moisturized. When you moisturize your hair, you need to apply oil on your hair to seal it. Does it make sense? The next one, which is a must-have, and I'm sure you already know, but I just have to mention it because it is actually a must-have for some people that might not know, is leave-in conditioner. You need leave-in conditioner. The more curly your hair is, the drier it is. That's why you see natural hair girls are always applying leave-in conditioner to their hair, because their hair tends to get dry very easily. So what you're going to be doing is that you get a leave-in conditioner of your choice. If you want any recommendations, you can tell me in the comments and maybe we chat and know what your hair type is and what leave-in conditioner you might like. This my leave-in conditioner is very good for low porosity hair. The next one, which is the last one, is shea butter. I think that shea butter and oils, they can go interchangeably, but then shea butter is of a thicker consistency, and so that's why when you apply oil, you can still apply shea butter for extra sealing of the moisture. Okay. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment sections. If you are at this point of this video, please comment Christmas tree. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and thank you all my subscribers. Mwah.